Mondaze.
We have a contest coming up starting this week. I'll enter too. Why not? Every once in a while, an opportunity comes along, and that opportunity includes dinner, and that dinner includes chicken. It is my extreme pleasure and honor to talk to you about our up-and-coming contest called Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. We need a logo for 100 Mondays. Our logo has always been intended to be a temporary logo, and as much as we love it, we decided to come into our 50th Monday by announcing our contest for Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. We are into unfettered art that is non-exploitive, but always imaginative, creative. So far, most of the people who participate in the 100 Mondays have been contemporary artists and abstract artists and surrealists and some realists. So I look forward to seeing a mix of submissions for the contest. There's no submission fee. Feel free to send in your work. All we need is to see your point of view, whatever that means to you. I kind of like the futuristic robotic thing that I've been writing or experimenting with on a cellular level, producing work that's like that. I know I sound excited, right? Who will be the winner chicken dinner of our logo contest? So keep listening out for that. It's a contest to create a logo for our show. We really are excited to announce our upcoming contest. So to get more details about how you too can win a pretty medium tier chicken dinner, okay? And the honor of gracing our website and our show with our new logo. That's the fun part right there. You know, I'm excited. Keep listening. Love you. 100 Mondays.
I am open and willing to experience a new form of art. I like our skewed perspectives at times.